welcome to my channel, guys. And today I have few Cydia tweaks to share with you guys. They're really awesome, really nice Cydia tweak, and I think they're must-have on your jailbroken device. So I'm going to show you guys all those tweaks. And before we start this video, let me ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video. Now that's out of the way, let's get this video started and let me show you guys those awesome Cydia tweaks that I want to show you guys today. So basically, we're going to go to Cydia. Once we go to Cydia, we're going to go to Installed, Recent, and the first Cydia tweak that I'm going to show you guys, this is for all your games. And as of right now, this one calls Bird Poop. Now, this is really awesome, really nice. You will never lose game if you're playing with your family or friends with if you have this tweak, as you guys can see right there in the description, and it exactly does what it says. And I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking it out. I can't show you guys because I don't have any games on my phone right now, so that's why I won't be sure. But you guys probably know this is old tweak and finally it's out, and we can actually download and play games and never lose the game. As you guys can see right there, it's just got dropped today, 8/30/2020 and 2:56 the time. And the next one I'm going to show you guys is this one right here, is Bionic graphic. This is for your this is basically Cydia theme. Is for your icons. As you guys can see right now, my icons, the way it looks. There's so many icons. As you guys can see, this is all my social media applications. And then we got the stock iOS. And then, as you guys can see, my calculator. So it's really awesome theme, and I highly recommend you guys downloading that and checking it out. Now, this one, you guys probably already know about the NotFill. That I made a video about this last week, but now with this one, this is the Pro, so Pro version of that. So as you guys can see, it show you now with this you can change the colors on your notification. As you guys can see right there, when you get the notification, and it will give you the time, and also you can change the color of each notification. So all we have to do, go to setting. Once you download, go to tweaks, and then we're gonna find that tweak. It's right here, as you guys can see, NotFill Pro. And as you guys can see, you can set the delay, how long it stay on your status bar before it disappear. And also right here, you can copy and paste any of the color code, and it will work. So this is really nice, really awesome Cydia tweak, and this is really awesome option that developer added to that tweak. Now the next one we're going to talk about is this one right here. It's a brain processor. So with this, as you guys can see, message applications show a processing bar at the top when sending text message. So basically, I can show you guys if I open my message application, it's going to show my personal message, which I can't do it right now. But it's exactly, as you guys can see, the description, it really does what it says. So because it's already installed on my device, as you guys can see, there's a check mark next to that. So now, next one we're going to talk about is the drink setting, and this is the drink setting. And what this does basically, as you guys can see, make your settings app bouncing like a drink. So I'm gonna show you guys as once you download this, go to setting, and if I hit back, as you guys can see, it's bounce. If I click on the tweaks, as you guys can see, it kind of like really got a really nice effect. So let's do this one. Let's do the screen time. So every time it goes to the next page, it kind of give you the really nice bounce effect. So I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this out if you guys like that bounce effect. And then the next one we're going to talk about, this one right here, BatteryIconLabel. Now with this, as you guys can see right here, make springboard icon label showing the battery percentage, just made for fun. So once you download this, there's no option to configure from. As you guys can see, every icon, whereas see, as for example, the Unc0ver application is supposed to say Unc0ver, but it changed to the battery percentage. So every icon will in the bottom of every icon, you will see the battery percentage. So it doesn't matter where you at on your device, whatever the page you are at, as you guys can see, it show you the battery percentage. So if I drag down my control center, as you guys can see right there, the battery percentage is 52, and if I dismiss this, and every icon showing 52%. So this is really awesome, really nice tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking it out. Now the next one we are going to talk about is this one right here, RespringApp. So with this tweak, what this does is an application to simply respring for iOS 10, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, and 13. So basically what this does, once you download this, it gives you the application right on your springboard. So all you have to do, click this, and it will respring your device. It's really awesome and really easy access to respring if you have to respring your device. So now the next one we're going to talk about is the SafeModeApp. Now this tweak will give you an application to simply enter a safe mode app icon by killed app 13. So this one give you the as you guys can see right there, the last on the bottom right corner, you can see there's an application. This is application. If you click on that, it will put your device in the safe mode. This is really easy, really simple. There's no option to configure from. As you get kind of like an app on your device, and you just click on it, and it will put your device in a safe mode. This is really awesome, really nice, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking that out. Now the next one we're going to talk about is the BatteryFolder Title. Now what this does, as you guys can see right there, make springboard folder titles showing the battery percentage. So let me show you guys. As of right now, if I open my this folder right here, as you guys can see on the top, it doesn't say folder, it says 55% the battery. It shows you battery percentage where it's supposed to say folder. So if I open this one, there you go. And let's go one more time. So these are really awesome, really nice tweaks, and I came across those this morning, and I think there must have tweaks on your jailbroken device. And if you guys like it, and if you guys never knew about these, please let me know what you guys think about these tweaks in the description below. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video. Now that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.